Ford's new PI intake for 2-valve Mustangs, or 2-valve anythings. Is it good? Let's find out. So I got a buddy of mine's car here, 2-valve car. And as you all know, the intakes for these are kind of hit or miss. This one had the aluminum crossover, but clearly somebody had it off or tried stuff before, and it just is not looking great. And I was doing some other maintenance on it to try and figure out a different problem, and discovered some cracks in that one, which you can see here, crack there, and this one's a little harder to see, but 2 splits there, which clearly had leaked in the past. There's coolant everywhere. Notorious for these cars, no big deal. So we are gonna be testing Ford's new PI intake. There it is. And I know blah, blah, blah doesn't make as much power. Who cares? It's a stock 2-valve GT. We're not worried about making 1,000,000 horsepower like mine does, okay? Mine's fine. And this will be a good test for mine someday because I still have the stock one. So if it ever comes down to needing to replace that, we'll know if this new Ford piece is good. I did get a new gasket kit with it, but just from the top over here, it looks like it may, at least the top, have come with it. So in the box, thermostat, all kinds of hardware for it, some Teflon tape, question mark? Why would I need that? And some instructions. It also comes with whatever is in here. Oh, alternator brackets. Different bolt pattern for this guy. Let's see if it has gaskets on the bottom. All right, hold on. It does indeed have a gasket built in, so we can save a little money and return the old Felpro. A little side by side. Close up for you. So the plan is I'm gonna clean up these heads a little bit. They're very dirty. It's like hard water and all that. So we'll get it cleaned up. Get this thing on here and we'll see what happens. Something I noticed here, it says to install the O-ring first and then the thermostat. Don't do that. On these cars, the thermostat goes in first, and the O-ring goes on top. That's how you want that to look. Boom. Alright, so that went on very easily. It does have 2 drilled out spots here. This one not used on these cars, so it comes with a little plug. It comes with another plug. However, you need to take your coolant sensor from your old intake and put it on the new one. Easy enough. I put Teflon tape on it because it said to use it for that, so that's what we're gonna do. If it leaks, we'll tighten it down or whatever, but that's it for now. All right, just an update. It's all back together. It's about 100 degrees, so if I'm breathing heavy, that's why. The only thing I did not use from this was the alternator bracket. I used the stock one. They give you this enormous, probably compatible with 1,000,000 different vehicles, but it goes like underneath, it goes underneath like all this stuff here. So I measured it out and the stock one is actually perfect still with this intake. It's that flat. And as you can see, the belt lines up perfectly stock. So stock bracket, everything else good. We'll see if it runs.